Hello everyone. Today I get the following one error notification while I try to tap my Android mobile notification panel. Speech services by Google. Downloading English update. Waiting for network connection. This video is about how to stop downloading English update waiting for network connection. Go to your settings. Scroll down and tap on Google. After you've tapped on Google, you'll see multiple options. Here, you need to tap on Settings for Google Apps. Select Search, Assistant and Voice. Tap on Voice to manage it. Tap on Offline Speech Recognition. After you've tapped on Offline Speech Recognition, you'll land on the Installed tab. To begin with, tap on Auto Update to go to the Auto Update tab. Now, you'll see three options. This includes Do Not Auto Update Languages, Auto Update Languages at any time. Data charges may apply on Auto Update Languages over Wi-Fi only. If you want to get rid of the Downloading English Update waiting for network connection notification, you can simply turn off Auto Updates. To do so, tap on Do Not Auto Update Languages. Restart your phone. One of the easiest ways to fix the Downloading English US update waiting for network connection error is to uninstall and reinstall Google Speech Services. Go to the Google Play Store. Search for Google Speech Services. Uninstall Google Speech Services. Update Google Speech Services. Reinstall Google Speech Services. By uninstalling and reinstalling Google Speech Services, the app will be updated to the latest version. Hence, you won't receive the waiting for network connection error anymore.